Hi everybody. So here I've got a piece of wire that goes on top of a wine bottle or a champagne bottle. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Get one of these and you'll notice that there's a large circle and then there's a small circle. And what you need to do is put the large circle closest to you. Okay, close one eye, any eye, and you got to imagine or try to picture the small circle coming in front. So it's like it comes in front of the big circle. Once you got that, hold that position, and then when you turn your wrist, it's like I'm turning that way. The wire, it goes in the opposite direction. It's like an illusion. Try that out and you'll see. And for those of you that don't believe me, please, everyone that did get it to work, comment below and explain how you got it to work. It's quite a cool illusion, because once you've got that small circle coming through the big circle, you'll be able to easily see it. That's going to take you the longest time of being able to get your mind to see that. And once you've got it, it's very cool. Just goes in the opposite direction. Hope you enjoyed it.